Alright, that's nothing. Okay, the first question is, and try not to smile too much because this is serious.
Okay.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Natasha Page.
Natasha Page?
Yes.
How do you spell your last name, Natasha?
P-A-G-E.
Now, do you know what time this happened?
No, not really.
Where were you at?
I was in the back. When I heard the noise, I ran, and then I seen everything.
You ran out to the front?
Yes.
What'd you see?
When I came outside, I seen the truck. He was right here. And the car, because the lady was coming back down there, she was speeding too. And when the truck, he was speeding too. And the car came over here, he hit the passenger side, and the car spanned around, and then she was over there in the passenger seat. But lucky they didn't hit our house, because my mom was in her bed.
How about these people whose house it is? Where are they at?
No, he was in the kitchen, he said. He had to come out the backyard.
Is that him right here?
No, them just people taking pictures.
Where are the folks that live in this house?
I guess they in the back. I don't know. Because he said when this happened, he was in the kitchen.
So did anyone get hurt in this accident?
No, but just the people who was in the accident.
Did you get a look at her?
Yeah.
What'd she look like?
She was light brown skin. She had some long reddish hair. And she looked like she was around about 19 or 20 or something like that.
Okay. Great, thank you. What's your name?
Tiffany West.
Tiffany what?
West.
How do you spell that?
W-E-S-T.
Tiffany West. How old are you?
10.
Where do you go to school?
Nouvèl Elementary.
So, where were you when the accident happened?
In the backyard working.
What'd you hear?
I heard the car crash, and then I heard the truck crash into the house, and the stuff came out of it.
Get the mic right up there. So what'd you do? You come running?
We ran from out the backyard.
What'd you see?
We seen the car and the lady was in the car, and then we seen the man just hop out the truck.
Was the truck driver hurt?
Yes.
What did he look like?
He had short black hair. He was fat, and he was black.
Short, fat, and black. And how about the driver of the other car?
She was light skinned with long black hair, and yes, her hair was. She had long black hair, and she was messed up bad.
Really? What'd they do with her?
They took her out, and then they took her to Nouvèl Elementary to fly her to the hospital.
So is this gonna mess up your Thanksgiving celebration?
No. We thank God that it didn't hit our house, because my mother, she was in her room laying down in the bed. And if that thing wasn't right there, it could have hit the house right there, and she would have been messed up.
Amen.
Oh man.
Thank you.
Very
Okay, show me the steering wheel.
over here.
Tell them that thank God it hit my auntie house.
Thank God it hit my. They look, they hit right there. It's over here. By the passenger, by the driver. Right here, no. When you look over there, you see it hit the steering wheel got nothing.
Excuse me, the felony. Tadi baru baik statika. Kita ambil di sini sih bayar. Itu besi. Kemudian tampok sama. Itu sih apa? Tampok sama misi lagi mau pakai gelas tu. Itu sih apa? Agak apa yang kita. Yang di mana kan statika, yang di mana statika, jadi kau no brakes, no tires, no. You know that man is take care of it. That's the next guy lah. I buy new one ya. That's the next guy.